how to fix Cash App account closed. Now, why is your account closed? Some of the reasons may include account inactivity and also a violation of the TOS. How do you restore a closed account on Cash App? So if I just open up Cash App here, going to support and search for this article, our approach to inactive accounts, basically is going to tell you that inactive accounts will get closed within a certain time period, and also other reasons for account closure may occur. Now, if you want to restore a closed account, you can try logging in with the same account info, such as the phone number or email. And if that doesn't work, then you can create a throwaway account, or essentially account which you are going to use once. You will click on support once you log in with a different email address, and then you will select chat. Here you will explain the issue that your account is closed, and you want to type restore closed account. Then you will send this message, and it's going to connect you with a Cash App support representative, and if they are able to assist you with restoring your account, then that is your best bet. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.